what's going on. We are prepping the exterior of the house to start painting. So first thing we always do is we went around, and it's old paint, so it's chipping off. So we went through with the power washer. We want to power wash it all off, and then that gets a lot of the excess paint off that's already coming off, and you want to go around then and scrape it all. And now we are taping off all the windows with our hand masker and getting everything ready for our sprayer.
So these things make a huge difference. They're like 30-40 bucks at the store. You wouldn't think that they actually help out that much, but we just taped off this whole house, all the windows, everything to get ready to spray in probably 30 minutes. So usually if we had done that by hand, it would probably have taken us a few hours. So check out these. You can get one at Home Depot. We use the frog tape and then just like the 9-inch to 12-inch roll that we'll put on this thing.
Yep, so we're going to show you how we mask off our windows.
There you go. That's your window. It's all taped off, ready to go. As you can see, we didn't actually trim it out around the window just because we're spraying. We want to be able to go through the whole house fast. We just do the majority of the window. Now it's all covered, all the doors as well. And then you can go and spray this whole house. We'll have this whole thing painted today. So we're out here spraying with the Graco LTS 190. It's a pretty great gun. It's perfect for whether you're using professional or just beginner. They're around 500 bucks, and then with your tips and stuff like that, you need, I'd say about, I don't know, 700 bucks or so. But they work great. As you can see, Kendall going back and forth and covering this house. But it's pretty smooth. I mean, it just depends on what you're spraying. But since it's windy out here right now, we have to stay pretty close to the house. And she's going back just doing little touch-ups. But it's pretty simple. That's pretty it. Just get your Graco gun.